Boys and girls, welcome to math. We are starting this week to talk about sorting, and we're going to start today by reading a book, actually part of a book called Play with Sorting, and then we're going to do a sorting activity. And let's go ahead and start reading. This is called Play with Sorting. Let's play with sorting. When you sort something, you put things into groups. The things in the groups are alike in some way. Now let's look at these pictures, this illustration, boys and girls. I see some apples. What is the difference between these apples and these apples? That's right, these apples are red and these are green. You can sort by the attribute of color. And on this page, we see some yellow apples and red apples. You can sort vegetables by color. What color are these vegetables? That's right, yellow. How about these? That's right, green. You can sort fruit by the attribute of shape. So you can sort it by color or shape. Now let's take a look at these. What are these? These are grapes. Now these are different colored grapes, but they're all the same shape, aren't they? Different colors, but same shape. And so they're separated from these, which have the same color as these, but they're a different shape. These are strawberries. And then what is this fruit? This is bananas. These have a totally different shape than the strawberries or the grapes. So they put them in the 1, 2, 3 categories. Which group has the most in it? Now we're just going to kind of take a look and try to subitize. Do you think these have the most, these have the most, or these have the most? Yeah, I think the grapes have the most. All right, boys and girls, we're going to take a look at our stepping stones. Now we have here a bunch of different shapes, okay? Well, and actually, they're really just two different shapes, aren't there? And how many colors are there? Yeah, that's right, 2 colors. So how could we sort these shapes? The first way we could sort them is by color. Why don't we do that? So we're going to put all the red ones on this side. And then all the yellow ones on this side. All right. Now, how else can we sort these into 2 different groups? We can do it by color, but also by shape. So now let's do it by shape. What's this shape here? That's right, that's a square. Let's put all the squares on one side. All right, and then what shape is this? That's right, that's a star. Let's put all the stars on the other side. All right, very good. All right, boys and girls, now we are going to open our Stepping Stones book to page 15 and 17. And you can go ahead and cut out, you can be able to just pull this out. Parents, if you're helping your student, you just pull this page out. And then we're going to cut out all of these little robot heads here, okay? So we're going to cut all the robot heads out. And you can pause the video to do that. Okay, now that you've cut them out, let's look at these robot heads. What attributes do we see? I see some robot heads that have glasses. They're different glasses, but they're glasses, and some that don't have glasses. And then I also see some with hats, different hats, but they're all hats. And then some without hats. What else do we see? What other attributes? What other? I see some smiles here, and then some faces that don't have a smile. Okay, so now on this page, on page 17, we're going to go ahead and pick 2 categories to sort into, and then we're going to glue all the ones on the one category on top, and then the other category that we picked on the bottom. So for instance, we can go ahead and pick all the robot heads with hats on the top, and all the ones without hats on the bottom. Or we can go ahead and pick the smile or no smile, or also glasses or no glasses. So go ahead and pick 2 categories and glue them on the different sides there. and take a picture and upload it. And thank you for joining me for math.